So I got to come back to this property the other day, and as you can see here, I got a lot of photos here that I shot, right? I came here actually at 7 in the morning because, as we talked about before, coming to these projects with a luxury mindset, it's different from core real estate, right? We want to treat this with that different approach because we don't want to just shoot this like a regular core real estate. That being said, when given the opportunity, I'm going to try to take advantage and come to these projects that showcase in the best light, which means coming at the right time of day to photograph that. Now, of course, we don't always have that luxury of coming early in the morning. Sometimes homeowners and things like that, it just doesn't work out. But when you do and you're able to time the light and make it fit for your scene, you're able to come at times that you can just pretty much get everything ready to go, and all you need to do is just get your camera, find your compositions, and shoot. You don't have to do any kind of lighting or anything like that. The light that's there is amazing, and all your job is there to do is capture it in its best light and best compositions. So as an example, here's a couple shots here I did. And I mean, just take a look at this. How gorgeous is this light, right? I mean, as you can see, this was shot at, let me see here. I think it was, yeah, 8 o'clock in the morning. So I got here at 7, and then I started shooting once I was all nicely set up with my gear. But 8 in the morning, and look at the gorgeous light that we have here. As you can see here, that nice, beautiful light coming in through those windows. And look, lights off. Why would you want to turn lights on here at all? There's no need to turn on lights on. Lights off. This is what we talked about in the agent interviews about getting the essence, the feel, the energy of the space, right? This is what does that. Being able to arrive to a property, have the light work for your favor, and capture it really delivers that top-notch result for your image rather than just the boring core real estate type of stuff that we see all out there, right? We're trying to separate ourselves and our client's brand from everybody else out there by elevating their photography. And also it elevates our portfolio too, right? And pretty much just going around finding the compositions. Like once you get this light, it's so easy to compose. You just look for these moments, right? Zoomed in, zoomed out, whatever it is. There's just beautiful moments all around, and our job is just to find them, and it takes seconds to do it. It doesn't take long at all. Just like I said, getting the scene set up, dialed in, ready to go, making sure that your camera is set up, your staging is set up, so you know if you're doing single point, 1-point shots, 2-point shots, whatever, making sure things are dialed in so you can just pretty much go with your tripod, walk around, and just get compositions with that light. Because even though I was here at this time, this light didn't last that long because it was going to clear the roof line, and I had to be careful before it was gone. So I made sure I was here with enough time that I can get this opportunity and get a bunch of shots and get it for my client or for my portfolio. So remember, timing and awareness that we talked about in the classroom is very important to get these killer money shots.